Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I finally have the Chanel goodies. So it's been arrived since last week guys, and I finally have a time to unbox this. So yeah, and I do love that Chanel is always to make sure that the packaging is like well packed. So there it is. So guys, I need to stop and then redo it again because that noise is annoying me. So card, I always ask for an empty card. Sometimes they just give you guys, even though sometimes you don't ask, it just includes with this, which is nice to them. And Chanel has two options of gifting, which is good though. You can ask for put it in a box or put in this pouch. So let's sit aside. For me guys, I asked for a pouch because look at the packaging guys. I mean, look at the pouch, it's really nice. And so yeah, and then let's see what I got from them. You see what it looks like guys. Ta-da! I finally managed to get this too, yay. And I always stalking in the websites almost every day. So yeah, you see what I got, and let's get with the freebie first. And of course the mascara, because I love their mascara. And the perfume. I always ask for a sample perfume because it's good for traveling. So what else over here? I think that's pretty much it. And there is guys, it's to remove this. It's just like a paper. So yeah, let's put that one. Now let's start with this one. And for this holiday this year, it's really nice. I really love this box today. I mean for this year. So you see what I'm getting at. I get the lucky that I got this Glow Fort bronzer set. You know I love the bronzer guys. It's I've been using that a lot lately. Even though I go traveling, I bring that. So this is the first one, the red color. And I don't know why Chanel removed the tabs over here to hook the strap, which is it's disappointment because you know you're planning to make a bag for this, but Chanel removing it, which is Chanel, you should leave it alone. So at least it's freebie for Chanel lover like me that wants to use as a bag. So we have Chanel one over here. And you know what's inside is, you know why I picked this one? Because of the, it's not because of the bronzer as well. It's because the brush itself, because the brush itself is quite expensive guys, and I can use this as a travel. Look at that pouch. I mean this brush, I use this one. I'm probably gonna use this one for a powder, not for a not also for bronzer, but I'm gonna use this for powder. It's really cute and I love the packaging of it. Look at this one guys. This next, I think there's only like 2 items in there, I'm not mistaken, just so here is the second item. You know, I do have this one bronzer in a way, and this is the deep Soleil tan deep bronzer, which is I think I'm not sure if the same shade that I had, but anyway, if it's, I'm hoping it's not, so at least I can try this one. Oh my god, I tried to close this guy. So I'm gonna put this back for a minute so I can use the other one to open the other one. So same thing, and this time I got the silver one. I think, I'm not really sure the color, silver or gray or white. Again, no tab in here. Oh no, Chanel, I wish to stay that so I can use this as a pouch, but never mind. But the zipper though, it's quite nice. It's more not the other one, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, and I get this start with one. As you can see what it looks like. The nail polish set. This is the legit code. And I don't have a code from them. I like this one. And the next one is the hand cream. I do have this too. This is my second time already from them. And the last over here is another nail polish. I do have the last year I also bought the set of this one, and I think this is the same color that I had from last year. So yeah, that's pretty much that I got, guys, from this collection. I'm gonna put this inside, and yes, it's really nice to have this both on my collection. And I'm just hoping that Chanel never removed that towel where to put the strap hook. So yeah, I probably am gonna do some DIY how to make us use a shoulder bag. I might be stuck over here instead, so it looks better, but I will see what it looks better for them. So there you go. That's pretty much it for my Chanel unboxing today, guys, and I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, comment below sections, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.